Stuck in the same old conversations about what needs to be done? Maybe you spend hours with colleagues, excitedly strategizing, planning, and agreeing on new directions. Only to check in later and realize that little progress has been made. At Karrikins Group, we rarely go into a company that needs more things to do. Leaders know what needs to be done and why. But they struggle to convert on their most ambitious strategies and their most inspiring visions. That's because there's a missing piece. Knowing your why and your what is insufficient. You must be equally clear on how to lead together. When you complete your diamond triangle, you close the gap between ideas and execution. Our alignment journey accelerates your growth by completing your diamond triangle and focusing leaders on delivering strategic priorities and driving revenue. With the completed diamond triangle, leaders deliver together on ambitious growth and meet emerging challenges as a team. Curious about how to complete your diamond triangle? Give us a shout. We'd love to talk.